but you can do great things, but you have to take the ownership that says, I know if I overdo this and I'm going for the 3, 5, 10% in a day, and come on, we already know if 3 to 5 to 10% was a day was honestly plausible every day, Wall Street wouldn't be where it's at. If it was honestly plausible. Now it is possible. You can even do it for weeks in a row, but when you push it anything that hard, plan on getting pushed back that hard. Okay. And it's always, tenfold, right? The Bible says tenfold. So plan on it getting pushed back tenfold, which means your whole account. You're trying to average 5 to 10% a day. That means the days it pushes back, 10 times 10 is what? Your whole account. So that's not including leveraged money. So just to kind of put that into a perspective for you, I have the conviction that says I can help people. I have this little angel in my ear that knows we can do great things. Some of this stuff really does work, but we also have to own that all of this stuff really does have risk, and you are responsible for you, and you have to fix the parts of you and or the systems and or the trades and or the mismanagement that you do in order to save your account. And there's nothing I can do to save or protect you. I can tell you the things at the end of the day, and I can get excited with you, for you, but at the end of the day, it's 100% up to you.